In today's competitive digital landscape, businesses must focus on retaining customers and maintaining high engagement levels to drive revenue growth. Traditional marketing methods are no longer enough. Brands need a data driven approach to understand customer behavior, personalize interactions, and automate engagement across multiple channels. WebEngage is a powerful customer engagement and retention platform designed to help businesses create personalized, data driven marketing campaigns with advanced segmentation, omni channel communication, and AI powered analytics. WebEngage enables businesses to send relevant messages at the right time, increasing conversions and improving customer loyalty. So whether you operate in e-commerce, fintech, edtech, media, or SaaS, WebEngage provides the tools to optimize customer journeys and automate interactions through channels like push notifications, email, SMS, WhatsApp, and in-app messages. In this video, we'll explore WebEngage's key features and how they can transform your customer engagement strategy. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the advanced customer segmentation. WebEngage allows businesses to segment user based on demographics, behavior, purchase history, and engagement levels. This ensures that marketing messages are highly relevant to each customer group. This enhances targeting accuracy, ensuring customers receive messages that align with their interests and actions, which improves engagement and conversion rates. Another key feature is the omni-channel marketing automation. The platform enables automated engagement across multiple channels, including push notifications, email, SMS, WhatsApp, in app messages, web pop ups, and social media ads. Marketers can create personalized workflows based on user behavior. This delivers seamless, consistent communication across all touchpoints, increasing customer retention and reducing churn. Another key feature is the AI powered customer insights and analytics. WebEngage provides real time analytics, cohort analysis, and predictive modeling to track customer interactions and forecast future behaviors. Businesses can measure campaign effectiveness and adjust strategies accordingly. This helps optimize marketing efforts by identifying high impact engagement opportunities and reducing wasted ad spend. Another key feature is the personalized user journeys. The Journey Designer feature allows businesses to create automated workflows that guide users through personalized experiences based on actions such as signups, purchases, and abandoned carts. This increases conversions by delivering the right content at crucial points in the customer life cycle, ensuring a smooth and engaging user experience. Another key feature is the retention and churn prevention tools. With WebEngage, businesses can track retention cohorts, identify at risk customers, and trigger re engagement campaigns using AI driven churn predictions. This reduces customer attrition by proactively addressing disengagement and encouraging users to return through targeted offers and reminders. Another key feature is the A/B testing for campaign optimization. Marketers can run A/B tests on different campaign versions to determine the most effective messaging, timing, and delivery methods. This maximizes engagement rates by refining marketing strategies based on real user responses and data insights. So, why is WebEngage a great choice? WebEngage is a leading customer engagement platform that helps businesses create data driven, personalized marketing strategies without relying on guesswork. Unlike traditional marketing tools that focus on one or two channels, WebEngage provides a fully integrated omni channel engagement solution, ensuring brands can reach customers wherever they are. One of WebEngage's biggest advantages is its powerful automation and segmentation capabilities, allowing businesses to send hyper personalized messages at scale. By leveraging AI powered analytics and real time user behavior tracking, brands can optimize their campaigns to drive higher engagement and better retention. The platform's visual journey designer makes it easy to build automated workflows that guide users from onboarding to loyalty, ensuring a seamless customer experience. Another key strength of WebEngage is its flexibility and integration capabilities. It seamlessly connects with CRM systems, analytics tools, and e commerce platforms, making it easy for businesses to unify their marketing efforts. So, by delivering relevant, personalized experiences across multiple touchpoints, WebEngage empowers businesses to increase brand loyalty, improve conversion rates, and drive sustainable growth in today's digital first world. So basically, WebEngage is a comprehensive customer engagement and retention platform that enables businesses to automate and optimize their marketing efforts. With features like advanced segmentation, omnichannel automation, AI powered insights, and personalized user journeys, WebEngage helps brands connect with customers meaningfully and drive long term loyalty. So, for businesses looking to improve engagement and retention, WebEngage offers the perfect balance of intelligence, automation, and scalability. So, start leveraging WebEngage today to create smarter marketing campaigns, retain more customers, and unlock new revenue opportunities. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.